Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add thumbnails to YouTube videos. So there are two ways. So first of all, just open up the Chrome browser on your mobile. You have to tap on these three dots and make sure this desktop icon is checked. Now in the search bar, what you have to do is you have to go for studio.youtube.com. Now just tap on it. And then from here you have to zoom a little bit and you can see these three bars. Just tap on it and from here just tap on this content. So now just tap on the video you want to change the thumbnail of, and from here you can edit many options, and now you can see this thumbnail option. So just tap on this thumbnail, tap on these three dots, and now you can see this. If you don't have any thumbnail, you will see this upload option here, and if you have already, you can just tap on this change, and now from here you can select any thumbnail. You can see this. So if I tap on this done, and now you can see our thumbnail has been added. So after this, just simply tap on this save button, and now your thumbnail has been changed, and you can see that our thumbnail has been changed. Now the second way is you have to go to the YT Studio app. Just tap to open it. Now again you have to find the video you want to change the thumbnail. Then I am going to tap on this video. Now you can see this pencil icon in the upper right corner. Just click on it, and now again you can edit all the things from here, but you have to edit the thumbnail. You have to tap on this pencil icon again, and now you can see this. You can choose the thumbnail from your video also. So I want to go for this custom thumbnail. Again I am here in my gallery. Now I have to select the thumbnail. So after selecting the thumbnail, you just have to tap on this done. So it's not done yet. You have to tap on this save again, and now our thumbnail has been added. So these are the two ways to upload the thumbnail to YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.